Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix the 7 deadly sins origin game: crashing at startup, lagging, freezing, low FPS, showing black screen or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So after searching for the game on Steam, go below and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. Make sure your PC have all the required specs, and after that try to launch the game and then check if the game is launching or not. If not, next is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your system restarts, now launch the game and then check whether the game is launching or not. If not, next is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, and under general here you have to type -dx11 and then check if the game is launching or not. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the problem. But if the issue still occurs, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, again go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will take some time, wait for it. After verifying the game files, launch the game again and then check. Next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game, whether it's listed or not. So let me search for the game over here. So if you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and after that click on OK. Finally launch the game and then check whether the game is opening or not. If not, next is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here you have to select the game application, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it's working. If it doesn't resolve the issue, you can come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen automatizations, hit on apply and OK and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. But this also doesn't resolve the issue, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to check graphics settings of the game. So when a graphics settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game, and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphics settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issue. Next is to stop overclock CPU and GPU settings. So sometimes overclocking makes the CPU or GPU unstable, so you are suggested to check if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background. This will help to fix the issue. Next is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and then check. Nvidia and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. Now click on in-game and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If this option is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, launch the game and then check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and here switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab and switch off enable in-game overlay options from there. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Now once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. This will download Visual C++ files. You have to open it. After opening it, click on repair or install option, whatever option you get, and wait for some time. After this, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check if you can play it. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after that try to launch the game again and then check. Next is to close background apps. So for that, go to the Windows search for task manager. Now under processes tab, here you have to search for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select it After selecting it, right click on it and click on end task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. Next solution is to disable antivirus program or firewall. So if you are having an antivirus program, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issues. So what you need to do is first go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on virus and threat protection. Go below, click on manage settings, and here you have to turn off real-time protection. After this, again go to the Windows search, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Here you have to select turn off Windows Defender Firewall in both private and public network settings, and then click on OK. After that, try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. But later on, again come back and make sure to select turn on Windows Defender Firewall in both private and public network settings. Next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search, search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list first. For that, click on add desktop app, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. After adding it, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance, and after selecting high performance, now try to launch the game and check. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall the 7 Deadly Signs origin game. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again log in, launch Steam, and again reinstall the 7 Deadly Signs origin game, and finally click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix the 7 Deadly Signs origin game crashing at startups, lagging, freezing, showing black screen, or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.